Hey, WheelSnipeSelly here. I wanted to put together a video on how to get real-time data in TradingView so that people can follow along. I know I had a couple requests from some of my subscribers. Shout out to Mary. And I know I've also seen some tweets that people asking how to get the real-time data. So I wanted to put a quick video together. Right now I'm on this how to set up tweeting for ICT 2023 mentorship. So if you want to look at this, I have a lot of questions around this. This is just a separate app here, and I just basically have it on the side so that I can see all of his tweets real time. And with my TradingView chart, it's not connected. It's just, it looks like it is. I just have two windows right next to each other. So that's how I keep track of his tweets as he's tweeting and following along in the charts. So I'll go into that a little bit more, but make sure you check this out. I'll have this linked at the end of this video, so it'll take you right to it. I'll mention this once. I have an affiliate link with TradingView, so if you were to get signed up with the plan, you'd get $30 off whatever plan you select. So, all right, so here's the main splash page here. Just right now, if you were to go to under the products and hit chart, it'll take us to the charting area. And I just have the ESH 2023. This is the E-mini S&P 500 futures March 2023 contract. So this is what we're on right now at the time of this recording. So if you look up here, you have this market closed. That's this little bar here. And then data is delayed. So if you were to make an account and you come here and you see this, you also see it, there's like a little D here next to the symbol. So this means you have delayed data. So if you were to click on that and hit learn more, it's saying that it's delayed by 10 minutes. Let's hit the upgrade now. So it's saying that you can buy real-time Chicago Mercantile Exchange Globex. So I'll show you where this is. And let's go to upgrade now. So this has the plans here. Let's just do the compare all features and I'll kind of walk you through what each of the plans are. So the minimum that you would need is this Pro. So let me go down and show you where the data is. So data, right here under the data area, ability to buy extra real-time data, 50 plus exchanges around the world. So with the basic, you can't get the data. So you have to at least have the Pro Plus, or the Premium. So just a real quick, so if you wanted to get TradingView with the real-time data, your cheapest would be this $14.95 a month plus the $5 data. That gives you, up to 2 charts in one layout. You get alerts. If you wanted to get the 3 chart view, which I think what ICT normally uses, so you would want to get this Pro Plus, and that gives you up to 4 charts in one layout. And then what I actually use the Premium, and what I like about this is the second base intervals. I like to look on the 30-second and sometimes even like the 15-second chart just to kind of go down even deeper than just the 1 minute. So that's the reason why I have the Premium. But if you just wanted to, for your basic lowest cost, would be your Pro right here. Pro plus the data. So let's hit this buy now. And it's just saying that I already have an account, which is fine. So $14.95 a month. This is USD, so I'm based in the US. And then need extra market data, we would hit I need the data. And we would want this CME E-mini included. So you would select this. This would get you the S&P and the NASDAQ. So this would get us what you need. Total $19.95 a month. And then I'm going to get to here because this is, I already have a plan. So this is just kind of getting you to where you would need to go. But basically, if that's something that you wanted to do, we could go back to the chart. And right here, you could make a new layout. And so right now, it's not letting me do that. But let me log into my account, and I'll kind of show you what we would do. All right, so here we are. I'm logged into my account here. We have my watch list. I have various things that I want to look at, but I have indices here, Forex that we've been kind of clicking through. But so here, like if we're gonna make, like let's make a new layout. So once you're starting fresh here, I think it automatically comes with volume. I don't have any indicators on my charts. So what we can do is hit this little guy here, and depending on what plan you have, like what ICT normally uses is this guy. So the 3 chart, this is what that Pro Plus would get you, and normally have the daily here, and I'll shrink that down. And then if you were to click, let's click on this, and I have the symbol synced, so it's all the same, crosshair. And then I do time. I don't do interval because I have 1 hour here. And then I'll have this as my executing chart, like a 5-minute. So this is his standard layout that he has. I have the daily in view, a higher time frame, hourly, and 5-minute. I have seen him use like a 1 minute and a 15 and like an hour. So we'll kind of see what he does during those live streams. But so with this, the other thing that he does is he will do a compare, and I already have the NASDAQ, and if we do the new pane, so this is to check S&T. So if there's a lower low, higher high. So what I normally have on mine is, if you go to setting, you can go to settings here, and I actually like the candle. I like to do candles, and I will normally just make this the same as my actual chart. And then depending on if you're bullish or bearish, you want to compare. You know what? You can't do it with candle. So if you do line, you want to either compare the high or the low. So this will compare the highs if you're looking to go short, and the lows if you're looking for S&T to go long. So I don't know if the candles, I'm assuming that it just doesn't matter. So I've been using the candle, but I don't know if he normally does that. But so with this, then I'll check this, around like 8:30, 9:30, or if we're trading into any higher time frame, fair value gap. But you can collapse the pane, and then when I'm getting ready to look at an entry, I'll just pop this open and see if there's an SMT with the NASDAQ. But this is my normal chart that I have, that I work off of, is this 3 chart. Like I said, the premium gives you that 30-second time interval, whereas the other plans, like the lowest you can go down to is a minute. So you can go down to all the way to 1 second if you wanted to, 15. So I'll toggle between these two. But that's just a personal preference. But yeah, if there are any questions, just leave a comment below. But hopefully this was helpful to try and get you set up for the 2023 ICT mentorship with the live stream, so we can kind of follow along. Thanks for watching.